Commander Matthew Perry arrived. Things are changing.
And open its doors.
Work with them to later defeat them. We have an empire too, the Meiji Restoration. The Meiji Restoration. What brought the constitutional monarchy?
The Charter Oath.
The Charter Oath. What drug did the Westerners smuggle into China in order to make them mad?
A drug called opium was smuggled in.
A what?
Opium!
Oh, okay. That's what this is the Meiji Restoration, also known as the Meiji Renovation, Revolution, Reform, or Renewal, was an event restored practical imperial rule of the Empire of Japan in 1868 under Emperor Meiji. Was the Meiji Restoration successful?
Yeah, because of the flexible political structure.
All